Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to change the ringtone on your iPhone. Whether you're tired of the default ringtone or just want something new, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Today I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to customize your iPhone ringtone. It's quick, it's easy, and you can even use your favorite songs. Let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll see a section called Ringtone. Tap on that. You'll see a list of default ringtones. Tap on any of them to hear a preview and select the one you like. Also, here is iTunes Store. You can go to iTunes Store and simply choose whatever the song you want to keep. And that is how this way you can open iTunes and make sure you have the song you want to use as a ringtone in your library. And that's it. This is how you can successfully change your iPhone ringtone. Now you can enjoy your favorite tune every time someone calls. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.